Thank you,
Sheikh, and
thank you.
welcome to Ostrakis Carnival 2016. Did you come before?
No, actually, this is my first time here.
This is your first
Yes,
time.
first time visit Egypt.
And this is your work.
This is
your
Yes, this is
sculpture.
my sculpture, which is called Mysterion 3.
Wow.
It tells something about the future, about the past, and also about the present.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
So this is
this
like
you
the transition between me and the future and
and the
humanity in all.
It's very nice
Yeah.
because most of the artists are working on humanity, and each one is working on a different
Mhm.
different way, but
Mhm.
all of it's the same concept.
Yes,
But it's beautiful. So you are from?
I'm from Macedonia. I come from Skopje.
How was it there?
It's a very nice place. It's a very beautiful country.
Can you
Very,
describe
yes,
something?
it's very
I'm interested
diverse.
to see, to visit one day.
Well, it's full with tradition, from ancient times until the Christian times, let's say. So it's filled with tradition and history.
Yeah.
It has a very natural landscape, beautiful landscapes, full
Yes.
with mountains, lakes, valleys.
Wow.
It's very dramatic because the scenery every 20 kilometers changes so drastically, and it's never boring there.
So I can say maybe most of the people there are into art in a way
There are a
because
lot.
of the environment.
Yes, yes, yeah. Actually, this area is full with every type of artist. Not only painters and sculptors, also poets, very good directors, singers,
Dancers, of
etc. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a very artistic
Too
place.
cold nowadays in November.
Now it's winter, but it's not still cold. It's normal
It's
temperature.
snowing sometimes. I mean.
Very rarely. This year is very
Very good.
rarely. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
this is what I want.
Yeah, yeah.
A warm
Not
country
strong,
for
not
us.
so strong winters.
Yeah, we are used to this sunny place.
Yes, yes.
And that's why the Australia they call it the sunny
Uh-huh,
Egypt.
uh-huh.
The
Always sun.
Masr.
Uh-huh.
I mean, it is the meaning of Masr, Egypt, the sunny Egypt. And it's really because I have a friend who is in London, and they saw me wearing this, and they said, "Wow, it's summer in
Uh-huh,
there." I said,
uh-huh.
"Of
Yes,
course."
all the time. It's summer. It's
So it
good
was
weather. It's
really,
good
I'm
weather.
so glad to meet you.
Me
so
too.
happy to see you in here. And
I'm happy to be here.
Really?
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity
Yeah,
to
me
see
too,
Egypt.
Me too. Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Enjoy the sun, enjoy the place.
Thank
enjoy
you.
Egypt.
Thank you very
And you
much.
can tell,
Shukran.
of course, your friends to visit because
Of course.
everybody knows that maybe it's not as safe, but of course,
I want to
really
tell
it's
you a
the
little
safest.
story. My grandfather came here 70 years ago.
Wow.
He made a trade. He brought camels into Macedonia, full with spices. So he was a tradesman and he earned his fortune. So he was a rich man at that period. And he always kept some books from Egypt that I remember that I have seen.
Yeah.
There are old books like Quran also.
Yeah.
He brought everything from Egypt, and now for the first time in my life I following his steps of my grandfather.
Wow.
He was in this area also in the Sinai mountains.
Yeah.
And after he became the salesman, he became a priest.
Oh,
So get rid of the
All of it.
fortune, and he get a spiritual side of his life, and he was
do
a
you
priest.
think coming to visit Egypt at that time, it makes him go into this trip?
I'm
I
sh-
mean,
I'm-
from
I'm-
materializing things to Sufis or to spiritual way.
I think in any case it changed himself, so he can become more spiritual
Wow.
person. I'm sure
so
about
happy
that.
to hear
Yeah,
the story.
yeah.
And I'm happy for you to have the same genes.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for everything.